What's up guys, Kevin here, coming at you from NIA Body Kits headquarters. And right now we are just playing around with the idea of a wide body. I don't know if you guys know, but this is it. The car is going to be registered, it's already registered for SEMA 2021 in Vegas. So the car looks nice, but I don't think it's SEMA worthy yet. I think it feels it needs a lot more. So one idea that we have is the whole wide body, and we're coming up with some designs. So it would kind of have a little air catcher there that would just cover up the front end of the bumper, and then we have this right here. It's kind of like the arch where the wheel well with a wide body will kind of like start getting wide. But we are going to wrap around the headlights, follow that same body line. Here it's going to come out more out, so leave this sunken in. The same thing with this, we're going to bring that out, trying to still keep the same body lines of the car. And then for the back, that's what we're going to do for the door. So it's basically going to attach this right here. It's going to similar to the front, so it all kind of like blends in together. And then of course it comes around to the wheel well, around the gas cap, and it's going to come all the way to the back bumper, the quarter panel. So this is just some ideas, and I definitely want to get your feedback, so please feel free to comment. We'd love to hear what you guys think, or if you have any feedback. Right now we're just, putting some pinstripe tape in there, that's all. All right, looking forward to it. And if you guys know any wheel sponsorships, please let them know, man. We're definitely gonna need some more aggressive wheels for this. All right guys, thank you.